Number 12. The Audi A8. This flagship sedan is genuinely impressive with its technology and performance. However, reliability data shows some concerning patterns, particularly with models from the early 2010s. The main issues center around the electronics and air suspension system. The MMI system, which controls most vehicle functions, has been reported to experience failures that can cost $2,000 to $4,000 to repair. The air suspension, while providing an excellent ride, tends to develop leaks and compressor failures, with repairs often exceeding $3,000. According to aggregated owner reports, the A8 shows higher than average repair frequencies compared to more reliable luxury competitors. Specifically, models from 2011 to 2014 have documented electrical gremlins that can be frustrating and expensive to diagnose. The positive perspective, the A8 is a beautifully engineered vehicle with cutting-edge technology. If you're buying one, consider a certified pre-owned with extended warranty coverage, or budget an additional $2,000 to $3,000 annually for maintenance and repairs beyond normal service. Number 11. The Maserati Quattroporte. This Italian sedan offers exotic appeal at a more accessible price point than many supercars, but that accessible entry price comes with some trade-offs in long-term reliability. Maserati's ranking in reliability surveys has historically been lower than mainstream luxury brands. The Quattroporte specifically has shown patterns of electrical issues, transmission concerns, and build quality inconsistencies. Repair costs can be substantial because many parts must come from Italy, and fewer mechanics are trained to work on these vehicles. Owner data suggests that annual maintenance costs for a Quattroporte often exceed $2,500, not including unexpected repairs. The automated manual transmission in older models has been particularly problematic. The balanced view: if you love the Maserati style and are prepared for higher ownership costs, it can be a rewarding vehicle. Many owners accept the maintenance reality as part of owning something special. Just make sure it fits your budget and strongly consider warranty coverage. Number 10. The BMW 7 Series, specifically models from 2009 to 2015. BMW builds excellent driving machines, but their flagship sedan from this era has some well-documented issues that prospective buyers should understand. The main concerns involve the turbocharged engines, electrical systems, and various electronic components. The N63 V8 engine, used in several model years, has documented issues with timing chain guides, valve stem seals, and oil consumption. Repairs for these issues can easily exceed $10,000 if major engine work is needed. Additionally, the complex electronics that make the 7 Series so advanced also create more potential failure points. iDrive system failures, sensor malfunctions, and electronic parking brake issues appear frequently in owner reports. Consumer reports and JD Power data from these model years show below-average reliability ratings for the 7 Series compared to competitors like the Lexus LS. The fair assessment? The 7 Series offers an exceptional driving experience and cutting-edge technology. Later models and the current generation have shown improved reliability. If you're looking at 2009 to 2015 models, have a pre-purchase inspection by a BMW specialist and budget generously for maintenance. Number 9. The Range Rover, particularly models before 2018. Land Rover has been working to improve reliability, but the Range Rover has historically ranked near the bottom in reliability surveys. The issues are wide-ranging: air suspension failures, electrical problems, engine and transmission concerns. The terrain response system and various electronic features that make the Range Rover so capable off-road also increase complexity and potential failure points. Repair costs tend to be high. Air suspension repairs alone commonly cost $2,000 to $5,000. Electrical diagnostics can be time-consuming and expensive. According to owner cost data, annual maintenance often exceeds $3,000, and that's before major repairs. J.D. Power and Consumer Reports have consistently rated Land Rover products below average for reliability, with the Range Rover being among the more problematic models. The complete picture: the Range Rover is an incredibly capable luxury SUV with unmatched off-road ability and presence. Many owners love them despite the maintenance costs. If this is your dream vehicle, go in with eyes open about ownership realities, and warranty coverage is strongly recommended. If you're finding this information valuable, hit that subscribe button. We release new reliability research every week to help you make informed vehicle decisions.
Number 8. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class from the W221 generation, 2007 to 2013. Mercedes builds world-class luxury vehicles, but this particular generation of the S-Class has some documented costly issues. The Airmatic suspension system frequently develops leaks and compressor failures. The ABC active suspension featured on some models is even more complex and expensive to repair, with costs sometimes exceeding $5,000. The V8 and V12 engines in this generation have had issues with timing chain wear and balance shaft problems. Electronic systems, while impressive when working, have shown patterns of failure. Command system issues, climate control malfunctions, and various sensor failures are commonly reported by owners. According to reliability data, the W221 S-Class ranks below the previous and subsequent generations for dependability. Repair costs average significantly higher than more reliable luxury competitors. The balanced perspective. The S-Class is the benchmark for luxury sedans in many ways. The ride quality, technology, and presence are exceptional. The newer W222 generation, 2014 to 2020, shows better reliability numbers. If you want a W221, find one with excellent service history and consider extended warranty coverage.
Number 7. The Audi Q7, specifically first-generation models from 2007 to 2015. Audi's three-row luxury SUV offers great space and refinement, but certain model years have documented reliability concerns. The main issues involve the 3.6-liter V6 and supercharged 3.0T engines. Timing chain tensioner failures can cause catastrophic engine damage if not addressed, and replacement is expensive preventative maintenance. The electronic systems show higher failure rates than average, and the MMI interface has known issues. Transmission problems have also been reported with some frequency on models equipped with the 6-speed automatic. Repairs can cost $4,000 to $8,000 depending on severity. Reliability ratings for first-generation Q7s generally fall below average, particularly for model years 2007 to 2009. The fare assessment. The Q7 is a practical, well-designed luxury SUV. The second-generation model, 2016 Plus, addresses many earlier issues and shows improved reliability. If considering a first-generation model, a thorough pre-purchase inspection is essential, and focus on units with complete service records.
Number 6. The Jaguar XJ, particularly 2010-2015 models. Jaguar has made significant strides in quality, but these model years of their flagship sedan have some reliability challenges worth understanding. Electrical issues are the most common complaint, ranging from infotainment system failures to various sensor and module problems. The supercharged V8 engines are generally strong, but supporting systems like cooling components and electronic throttle bodies have shown issues. Transmission concerns have been reported, particularly with the 6-speed automatic in earlier models. Interior electronics, including the touchscreen system, have higher failure rates than competitors. J.D. Power reliability ratings for these Jaguar model years generally rank below average, though the brand has been improving in recent years. The complete picture? The XJ is a beautiful, unique luxury sedan with distinctive styling. It drives wonderfully and offers something different from German competitors. Jaguar's newer models show better reliability. If you love the XJ, look for later model years and consider extended warranty protection. Number 5. The Porsche Cayenne, first generation models, 2003 to 2010. Porsche generally builds reliable vehicles, but the first generation Cayenne has some documented expensive issues that buyers should know about. The main concerns involve the V8 engines, particularly the 4.5-liter unit. Coolant pipe failures can cause catastrophic engine damage, and replacement is expensive preventative maintenance, costing $2,000 to $4,000. Transfer case and differential failures are also reported with some frequency, with repairs costing $3,000 to $6,000. The air suspension system, like most air suspensions, tends to develop leaks and compressor issues over time. The complex all-wheel drive system has more components that can need service. These issues don't make the Cayenne unreliable by sports car standards, but they do create higher ownership costs than some buyers expect from a Porsche. The balanced view. The Cayenne is an excellent SUV that drives like a Porsche should. Later generations addressed many early issues. If looking at a first-generation model, have a Porsche specialist inspect it thoroughly, particularly the cooling system and drivetrain. Budget for Porsche-level maintenance costs.
Number 4. The BMW X5, specifically models with the N63 twin-turbo V8 engine. BMW makes great SUVs, but this particular engine has had well-documented issues across multiple BMW models. The N63 engine has had problems with timing chain guides, valve stem seals, excessive oil consumption, and turbocharger failures. BMW issued multiple service campaigns to address these issues, but many owners still report problems. Engine repairs can easily cost $8,000 to $15,000, depending on what needs addressing. Additionally, X5 models from the E70 generation, 2007 to 2013, have shown transfer case and electronic issues with above-average frequency. Reliability ratings for X5 models with the N63 engine generally fall below average, though other powertrains in the X5 show better dependability. The fair assessment: the X5 is an excellent luxury SUV, and models with the inline-six or diesel engines show better reliability. If you want an X5 with the V8, look for later model years where BMW addressed early issues, maintain it meticulously, and be prepared for potentially expensive repairs.
Number 3. The Cadillac Escalade, specifically 2007 to 2014 models. Cadillac's flagship SUV is iconic, but certain model years have documented reliability issues worth understanding before purchase. The main concerns involve the AFM, or Active Fuel Management System, which can cause lifter and camshaft failures requiring expensive engine work. Transmission issues have been reported with some frequency. Electrical problems, particularly with the StabiliTrak system and various sensors, are common complaints. The air suspension on equipped models has shown typical air suspension issues with leaks and compressor failures. Interior electronics and touchscreen systems have higher failure rates than expected for a luxury vehicle. Reliability data shows these Escalade model years ranking below average, though newer generations show improvement. The balanced perspective: the Escalade offers commanding presence and space. GM has addressed many issues in newer generations. If considering 2007 to 2014 models, look for units without AFM if possible. Verify complete service history and budget for above-average maintenance costs.
Number 2. The Mercedes-Benz GL Class and GLS, particularly 2013 to 2016 models. Mercedes builds excellent SUVs, but this generation has some expensive issues that appear with concerning frequency. The 4.6-liter V8 bi-turbo engine M278 has documented issues with timing chain stretch, balance shaft problems, and head bolt concerns. These repairs can cost $8,000 to $15,000. The Airmatic suspension commonly develops leaks requiring expensive repairs. The
The 7-speed automatic transmission has shown issues with valve body failures and conductor plate problems, with repairs costing $3,000 to $5,000. Various electronic systems and modules have higher failure rates than expected. Consumer reports and reliability data show these model years ranking below average for dependability, particularly the V8 models. The complete picture: the GL/GLS is a beautifully built, spacious luxury SUV. The diesel models, where available, showed better reliability. Later GLS models have addressed many issues. If considering these model years, thorough pre-purchase inspection is critical, and extended warranty coverage makes sense given the repair costs.
And now, number 1, the Range Rover Sport, particularly 2010 to 2013 models. This might surprise some people given its popularity, but reliability data consistently shows these model years having significant ownership cost concerns. The supercharged V8 engines, while powerful, have shown timing chain issues and supercharger problems. The 5.0-liter V8 can develop water pump failures that cause overheating and potential engine damage. Transmission issues, particularly harsh shifting and failure of the 6-speed automatic, have been widely reported. Air suspension failures are common and expensive. Electrical problems range from infotainment system failures to various sensor and module issues. Terrain response system problems can be complex to diagnose and expensive to repair. According to Consumer Reports data, the Range Rover Sport from these years received some of the lowest reliability ratings in the luxury SUV category. J.D. Power data shows similar patterns. Owner cost surveys indicate annual maintenance averaging $3,500 to $5,000, not including major repairs. What makes this especially important is the depreciation curve. These vehicles can be found at attractive prices on the used market, which tempts buyers into thinking they're getting a great deal. But the reason prices drop so significantly is because buyers with experience know the ownership costs are high. Now, here's the important balance to this information. The Range Rover Sport is an exceptional vehicle in many ways. It's incredibly capable off-road, beautifully appointed, and offers a driving experience that's unique in the luxury SUV segment. Many owners love them despite the maintenance costs and consider it worth the investment for the experience. If the Range Rover Sport is your dream vehicle, you can own one successfully. The keys are: buy from model year 2014 or newer, where Land Rover addressed many issues; verify complete service history; have a thorough pre-purchase inspection by a Land Rover specialist; and seriously consider extended warranty coverage. Budget realistically for $4,000 to $6,000 annually in maintenance and repairs.